Come test drive the 2017 Quattroporte. The new Maserati Quattroporte stands out from the crowd. Pininfarina's most recent creation is the ideal synthesis of luxury and sportiness and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, power steering, leather shift knob, navigation system, driver vanity mirror. Your new ride is just a phone call away.